Hey crypto friends, in this video I'm going to be talking about Airdrop. Before we get started, before we get into the step-by-step guide on how you can participate on Airdrop and claim the free Yumie token, here is a few things you need to know about Yum. Yum is simply the newest addition to the meme coin world, and Yum is here to take excitement and fun of the meme coin to the next level. Again, Yum combines an engaging community, a lovable mascot, and unique tokenomics that will take us all to the moon. And the exciting part is that Yum is giving away 20% of their total supply to the users who complete simple social tasks. And you want to be one of the users who complete these simple social tasks. So you can earn this free Yumie token and earn community round on their Discord channel. This is how it goes. The higher you round, the more token you will receive. And if you invite your friends to the Discord channel, you can even earn more token. And here is a step-by-step guide on how you can get started. So first of all, you need to click on the link below this video. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to this Telegram channel. And once you're here, you'll see the Airdrop page link, which is right here. So when you click on it, it will open this Yum swap bot. And what you need to do, you're gonna see read rules, you're gonna see start airdrop. So you click on this start airdrop. Once you click on it, this is the page you're gonna see. You'll see this page, and this page start with what you're gonna do first. Click on here to follow them on Twitter. Then you're gonna like their Twitter post. You're gonna requote that post with hashtag Yum, hashtag #BailOnBest, hashtag memecoin, hashtag 100x gem. And once you're done with that, you need to follow them on Telegram. And once you're done following them on Telegram, you need to join their Discord server. And this is where you need to get your invite link and share it with your friends to increase your community round and also your invite best link round. So then you need to stay active on their Discord channel, engage to get the noodles general and the whole with pasta rules to claim 10x of this reward. Then you can also double your reward by trading on Yum Swap after it's officially launched after base mainnet, and this is completely optional. And one thing you need to know again is that Yum will open a support channel on Discord for you to submit your details and claim your reward. That will happen before the launch of the Yum airdrop token distribution. So now before you click on the link below this video to sign up for your airdrop, kindly give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button below so you will be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.